Alert! A portable fire extinguisher can control a small fire before it has a chance to spread. Before you ever need to use a fire extinguisher, know where the closest extinguisher is located and become familiar with the operating instructions. Different types of extinguishers are suitable for different types of fires. In commercial buildings, extinguishers are selected and maintained by the fire safety professionals based on possible types of fires in the area. Before using a fire extinguisher to put out a small fire, make sure that the fire department has been alerted, others are being evacuated, and that you have a clear escape route. Now see it, grab it, and use it. Utilize the P.A.S.S technique to control and extinguish the fire. First, hold the extinguisher upright and pull the pin without squeezing the levers together. Next, stand 8 to 10 feet from the fire and aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. Do not get too close or aim the nozzle too high. Once the nozzle is aimed at the base of the fire, squeeze the levers together to begin discharge of the fire extinguishing agent. Maintain your distance from the fire and sweep the nozzle from side to side, sweeping 3 to 6 inches beyond the right and left edges of the base of the fire. Discharge the extinguisher until contents are exhausted to prevent reignition. Move around the fire to confirm it is completely extinguished. Your quick action can save lives and protect property. Using the fire extinguisher properly is only one part of a fire safety plan. For more information and training videos, go to www.femalifesafety.org.